हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आपका स्वागत है आपका प्यारा सा चैनल नौकरी अलर्ट पर। आज के वीडियो में हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे एनटीपीसी प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन पेपर सेट 7। इससे पहले हम लोग 6 सेट डिस्कस कर चुके हैं। अगर आप नहीं देखे हो तो इसमें जाके देख सकते हो, जो आपके आने वाले एग्जाम के लिए बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट साबित हो सकता है। और वीडियो स्टार्ट करने के पहले अगर आप इस चैनल पे नए हो तो प्लीज इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिए और बेल आइकन को प्रेस करिए ताकि हम आगे भी आपको इसी तरह की वीडियोस प्रोवाइड करते रहें। तो चलिए वीडियो स्टार्ट करते हैं। ए lunar eclipse occurs when answer is B. The earth come between the sun and the moon. How many years difference is there between Bikram Samvat and Shak Samvat? Answer is C. 135 years. World Investment Report 2020 is published by answer is A. Name the Bollywood actress who has been appointed as the brand ambassador of JBL campaign title Live It Real, Live It Raw. Answer is D. Sara Ali Khan. Who built Fatehpur Sikri? Answer is A. Akbar. The United Nations observe World Day to combat desertification and drought on answer is B. 17 June. Which of the following is the oldest branch of Vidya? Means knowledge. Answer is A. Taksila. Which of the following coin is indicate his love for music? Answer is C. Gupta's. If you go to Kanyakumari from Kolkata, then from which place you don't go? Answer is C. Solapur. In whose region did Genghis Khan chase Jalaluddin and invent his India's border? Answer is B. Iltutmish. Where is India BB Tomb? BB ka Maqbara is located. Answer is B. Aurangabad. How many items are there in Union list? Answer is C. 97. According to the Indian Constitution, who is the head of the executive? Answer is C. President. Which of the following is not an Indian service? Answer is C. Indian Foreign Service. Which is the brightest planet in the solar system? Answer is D. Venus. What is the name of area between the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn? Answer is C. Tropical. Red color in red soil due to which element? Answer is C. Iron. When a flat glass plate is placed in on color letter, which letter appears less lifted? Answer is A. Red. Which of the following waves can be popularized? Answer is D. Light wave. Which is the smallest of the given planet in solar system? Answer is B. Mercury. What is a static electrical precipitator used to control? Answer is D. Air pollution. Where are the functions of adding, comparing and mixing of a computer performed? Answer is B. CPU clips. The device is used to study the law of vibrating wire. Answer is B. Sonometer. Which of the following determine the chemical property of an element? Answer is B. Number of electrons. What is the percentage of carbon in cast iron? Answer is C. 3 to 5%. Gateway of India was built on 1911. LPG is a mixture of, answer is C, of butane and propane. Which of the following are the respiratory pigment of human? Answer is D. Hemoglobin. What is approximately the heart weight of a normal adult? Answer is B. 300 gram. The scientific study of bird is called? Answer is D. Ornithology. The name of the smallest hole found on the leaf surface in plants are? Answer is B. Stomata. What kind of relationship is there between income and consumption? Answer is B. Direct relationship. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग वीडियोस ऑन नौकरी अलर्ट। अगर आप नए हो तो प्लीज चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिए और बेल आइकन को प्रेस करिए ताकि हम आगे भी आपको इसी तरह की वीडियोस प्रोवाइड करते रहें। थैंक यू।